I'm standing in Theodor Heutzplatz, the central square of the area of Charlottenburg. I rub my eyes. I cannot believe this was our target area. This was the area we were supposed to drop the big cookie on. This and Siemensstadt were supposed to go up in a sea of fire, and I remember they were when I last looked geographically at this place. I was looking down from 19,000 feet, and there below me the earth seemed to be gnawed by fire. And now, here it is, the traffic, the morning traffic, as busy as ever. The streets all around me, reconstructed. You can still see some of the old Berlin, rather like magpies' nests, put in among the new buildings. But everything is crisp, clean. Modern Berlin is a clean city. Wide avenues, tree-lined. The square has got lovely trees growing in it now. And let me confess, when we were up there so long ago, I never thought of what was down here. I was thinking to myself, my own chances of survival, the horror that went through me when the night fighters' guns opened up and we replied, and the feeling that I was going to drop down into that festering mess of fire below. I never thought down below it stood another city.
Hello, skipper. Hello, navigator. Half a minute to go. Okay, thanks for reminding.
Okay, keep weaving, Ken. Okay, keep weaving.
A lot of searchlights and fighter flares, skipper.
Yeah, keep on.
Okay, boys, okay.
Bomb doors open.
Hello, Bombardier. Okay when you are.
Bomb doors open.
Bomb doors open, Bombardier.
Right. Steady. Steady. There's a long time yet. A little bit longer yet. But there's some news.
Green. Lob them down in the center.
Okay, steady. Steady. Right, a little bit. Right. Steady. Some still going.
Hey, Jimmy, trade to behind us, boy.
Some steady.
Hurry up, Jimmy, hold it up. Where is he, rear gunner? Can you see him? Down! Down!
Down!
He's chopped down!